Hello! This tutorial shows how to create a sub-account with VoIP.ms. Let's say you have a VoIP.ms account that you use to make and receive calls. A sub-account is like a mini account you can create under your main account. This allows you to register multiple devices to your account, like a desk phone, a mobile app, or even a soft phone on your computer. Here are some of the benefits of using sub-accounts. You can manage multiple devices under one account. You can easily transfer calls between sub-accounts. You can configure different features for each sub-account. You can keep track of call history and billing for each sub-account. Sub-accounts are perfect for families or businesses to organize calls and settings while keeping a single bill. Let's see how to set it up. First, log into your VoIP.ms customer portal. Once you're in, navigate to the Sub-Accounts menu. From there, click the button that says Create Sub-Account to get started. Now, choose a unique username for your sub-account. This username and your main account number create a special ID for connecting a device, like a VoIP phone or app, to the VoIP.ms network. This lets you make and receive calls with your specific settings for this sub-account. Here's a tip. Choose a password that mixes uppercase and lowercase letters with numbers for strong security. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the device you'll use with this sub-account. If you're unsure, the default soft phone or ATA adapter choices will likely work just fine. Time to set up your caller ID. Here you have a few options. If you're using a phone number you purchased through VoIP.ms, simply select Use one of my DIDs. For a verified caller ID with another provider, choose Use a verified caller ID. Alternatively, if your device allows the caller ID to be passed through directly from the phone line, you can choose that option and leave the field blank. Want to add some extra features? VoIP.ms offers voicemail transcription, call recording, and international calling permissions. To enable these features, check the boxes next to the features you want to enable. Here's a handy trick for easy internal calls between sub-accounts. If you're using a device like an ATA adapter, IP phone, or soft phone, you can create an internal extension. Enter a single digit after the prefix 10. For example, if you enter 1, your full extension number will be 101. Bonus tip: you can also choose a voicemail greeting for this extension. This is a great way to ensure the sub-account user gets notified of new messages. If you're not sure how to create a voicemail, check out the link in the description box. Once you've configured all the settings, click the Save button to finalize your sub-account. You're now ready to use your VoIP.ms sub-accounts from an independent number or device with enhanced communication capabilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.